Me a karate expert. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman to have them one things. Me no have no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah? Peanut bread.
So, I didn't show you.
I'm a rating plus that.
Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Now life is not a bed of rose, no hungry mouth dead and fi fed. So in the street we there and juggle for we bread. Tailor and the dressmaker stitch a cloth up with the thread. The barber and the hairdresser group the hair them pan we head. Hospital them carry the porters, doctors and the paramedics. Security forces carry iron with a clip full up a lead and pass you over to the mortician who fix up all the dead while peanut trade a patch peanut and a sell it. Film daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it for the sun in the river bed and daily civic.
Oh yeah, I said that. The man.
You see what you know? The last topic, you see? It was the ganja business, you know, where Asbert and this ganja thing, right? Good. Now, part 2, that was part 1. Part 2 about ganja, you know, youth. Now, them say, now this figure up on my page because I thought me talk it already on another man page where that some man they pan same way. Which way me keep on I tell them when they see me on road and ask me, say, not you done with the thing, man. Me say, no, man, the whole page, them on the pan same way, man. Type in Peanut Dead Official, man, and you will get everything now. And them say, oh, you understand? Yeah. So, them I talk, if they on my page too, because the man them page with them, the people in the pan, some of them hear that, but no, don't hear. You understand? On my fucking page, you see.
Yeah.
So this time now, we was talking about the ganja where we mad people, right? Good. Now them say now, you, the first ganja tree where them discover, you know, it was in Africa, you know, because that's all civilization begin. Yeah? Good. Them said, I don't know if Solomon was a white man or if he was a black man, but I kind of digest some of the information them because them say, you know, he was the only one who asked for knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, and did get it, you know. Yes? And I hear say after time pass off, you know, and then bury him. Is the only tree we grew up on the man grave, you know, and I get big. And them say, no, this look funny. Yeah, this look suspicious, man. Oh, that the one tree just grew up on the grave and I get, so them pick it and test it. And when they test it, then say it have been a holy prosperity, you know. Yes, sir. So then say I write on that man grave, them in discover ganja. You see? I write that's how it start from. Yeah? Good. Now, see that now, they call it ganja, they call it pelico, then call it herb, then call it one bag of different name, right? And they say the right name for it is wisdom weed.
Wisdom weed.
Yes, because it was the man of wisdom.
Yeah.
Them discover it pan engraved, you see? So them call it wisdom weed, you see? Good. Now, there is two way about these ganja business. You have one where then take my clothes, then call hemp. When you look upon the two of them, you can't know the difference, you know. I see him look at the ganja as thing, you know. But then say one is to make clothes and one is medical herb.
So the medical one cannot make clothes?
No.
I mean, I always think I eat then use do everything, you know.
No.
Not so.
No, a two different type. You have one where then make hemp, right? To make clothes. And then you have one where then call it medical herb. Or that the one where you smoke, right? Good. Them say now, it have been a lot of spirit. So using it you are too careful, right? And now, if then go and lock up somebody, the herb, I thought they should lock them up with banana, and lock them up with cocoa, and lock them up with cassava, and yak, because in the earth, all of them grow. It's not man invented, nor is not in a man head top, it grow. So when them I put law on it, say, you must be found with it. Any lock up is a hurt, them should lock up. Not human being. Can't him invent it. Now in the earth, you all of the same thing them grow. Callaloo and cabbage and yam and everything, and the same thing grow in the earth. Well, Lord my God, you see how human being destructive, my brother, right? Good. Them come back, them say, that medical herb, it good for glaucoma in your eyes. It good for cataract. It good for phelomy. And it good for diabetes. Yeah? So, you see how much? And then take it, make all cocaine. Yes. You see how the thing is useful, how much use the thing of Nayati. Why human being so destructive, you know, so the thing is so useful and put law upon itself, then catch you with it. You might torture you. Eh? This thing never right. Oh, me see, come on now. That Ganja store open, right? You see the old the Rasta man them will originate Ganja business. Them no have the money, you know, to open store, you know.
Yeah.
And the one where you usually fight against it, man. In the last year, none of them get the benefit. The one them when you hate it and fight against it. And them have money to open store, none of them make money off of Ganja. Which me one time the law is against it if they catch you with one seed. Eh?
In a problem.
This said these things never fear though. When me see how herb lie in the street right now, how herb get popular, you see?
Yeah.
And them say you can have all 5 trees.
Yeah.
Me say, rascal.
So,
If they find one tree with you in the early 50s and the 60s, in the 70s, you see?
your banana, your skin.
You are straight to jail, them a root it up and carry you go lock you up and charge you up. You understand? Right? And I say, me live to see big changes, you know, right? Good. Them say no, that medical herb, when you are work during the day and have your work to do, they say it's not relevant of using it. It's when you finish your work in the evening and go home and relax.
You take a pull.
Yes, like you listen music or watch a movie, you take a draw.
So is it that?
It make your blood flow more slower.
Yeah.
And it relax you and make it show extra sweet, you know. Yes. All the music,
So,
if you don't mind, you hear another instrument in
we
it where
don't in there.
You understand? The spirit them. The spirit them in the herb, you see?
What a man.
Yeah. Start build up another sound where.
And develop.
Yeah. It's sweet, yo. Because you never hear them the sound there yet.
Yeah.
Right? That time I herb spirit. I play music too, you understand?
Yeah.
So that's why you see lot of people and they go, they don't use it here. No, and they go.
And when they're in their home.
Yeah, when them are relaxed here.
Yeah.
That is the time.
So it not have the same effect if you drink it like when you smoke it.
No, add two different effects it give you know. Yes. When you drink it, it will stay in you all 3 days, you know.
Oh.
If you don't mind shop a doctor, you have to end up. You understand?
And they have to tie you with rope.
Thank you. Thank you. The next thing, when you smoke it now,
Yeah.
that give a different effect, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. The man we start see things and hear voices and start laugh.
But which
Yeah.
one more wickeder?
And when you name it, man,
Okay.
if you ever cook it all in a rice, you know, my bread, you know, and cook it in a soup, a green one, and give people to eat, and me, rascal.
Hmm?
And you, if you know, hey, you say if you know, say,
Yeah.
he will do him that.
Yeah.
You are going to wonder what do him, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder
And
why jerk him them way
you
there.
are going to wonder what really do him.
Jeez and peas.
Anyhow, you find out now, say, I hit where you give him. All you start fretting, you know.
Yeah.
Because you wonder now, Jesus, God, when if
What
I'm
is
going to come
this?
back round, man.
Yeah.
God.
So the man start tip off. Eh? No,
That's
sir.
that. It's like, say, me have the youth them, and me go make something and give them.
Yeah, you with them.
And when I'm on them, I go to school, but me make some
Herb tea.
herb tea, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and give them. When me go over there, the evening, the teacher have to say, Jade, make you call them and send them to school, so.
Hmm?
I say, what you saying? He said, listen. Sheba sleep all day on the desk.
Mm-hmm.
So me go down there and shake him up.
I'm down back.
He just look up at the board for 5 minutes
And dip again.
Well, I know. I know.
Dip again. Yeah.
Me and the woman when me give it to them.
Yeah. Yeah.
And me go give Morita one night time and a 3 rascal get the picnic sleep, not that. So I later say I bring him up at university, you know.
Yeah.
Because he can't understand
Understand
this
and
over
go on.
sleep, so
Yeah,
every
yeah,
day.
yeah.
She, Mr. Rascal, that's why it takes it long in my blood, man. Sir, I want out of all of the herbs them, you cannot use none other herbs to get the value of it and use ganja, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
If you use wisdom weed while using another herbs to get the, you're not going to counteract it and make you don't get the benefit, you know? Yeah, so I want the strongest raw herb in that it. Out of all of the herb in them, you know?
Yeah, so anything where you use, if you draw for the wisdom, you might kick him in.
It counteract and make you not get the value.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. You can't smoke none other herbs to get the feelings that you get from it. Never. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So out of all of the herbs,
Yeah.
him are one of the strongest one, you know, not it?
Yeah.
Yes, man. I want a holy spirit. If you use it and then when the blood get in the blood, if you don't mind, you feel all same thing run all over your body and you look on your hand and see some blacky sitting around up and down. And you get scared. That's the nerve, you know. Yeah. Remember when the nerve get licked, you know.
Yeah, the man start shake up and
You hear voices, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Cause I know, say, when you see mad people, them a fling and a run with something and a quarrel, and you know see nothing but him a quarrel, you must see things, you know. Yes? Cause then so when you just mad, you know, the spirit them start off of you sitting for eat and you don't want to take it. I mean, I say they not tap follow you up and half of you sitting for yam, you know. And you say the day name day you take it and yam it. Right now the rubbish heap now to rascal. Yes. Cause don't you see some of my mad people with them not turn rubbish heap, you know. And you know start it from them as yet. That's when you start it from them. You can't stomach nothing clean again. Now, everything where you get to eat, you have to give them. Let them eat it first, and then you can digest it.
Mm.
So if you give the man where eat from spirit food, clean food,
No one that.
and throw it in a orange box,
I make it boil.
and go hide it,
Mm-mm.
and make the ants them take it and start gather junjo. And that's when they go take it up and box off the ants them, and that's when you can digest it because I eat from spirit, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
And be a part of them now, you know. Then take him over. And that time hard to come back round, you know. It's when you start name on them. Rascal. If you can go look about him before you start eat from them, you know.
Yeah.
He will come back round quicker. But if you make him start eat from them,
Trouble take him.
rascal. He stink. He start get stink. No one beard. And them now, him start see them. And them a take him over. Right? So him no want bathe again. And he nah name nothing clean. And he can't carry out a long statement. So it don't make sense to argue with him. Because his memory gone. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. His memory gone, you know. So he will want to talk a paragraph. Like he don't want to say, alright. I go pick up breadfruit, you know. And John know me know wood, you know. You know, say some cold, me have to go take roast it. And you see, by you say, me I go pick up breadfruit. He rest when he say slip him to rascal. Because memory get bad, you understand?
Yeah.
And him a had on another thing, say, he cutlass one sharpen, hold on.
I mean, I don't know if you do it on breadfruit right now.
But he say, I go pick the breadfruit and lick him when he say, the water run water. And he cutlass one sharpen. You know, say, he pants tear. You understand? And I mix up one whole heap of different things where you can't get no straight stick, so it don't make sense to argue with him, you understand?
Man, I'll lead you astray, man.
He might lead you straight to rascal. So I waste of time talking to people like that, you see.
Yeah.
Right? Because me see Manda prison and me don't know what doing, boy. If people can't fix man such a blood clot, not the man say nothing more to pussy clot, you know. You can't. Me say I see a water beat him one just fin say something else and then Jesus God. The man a walk me mouth in a rasta. After one day sitting can go so to rascal boy. Man, every time the man go walk into there and hold on and look out the road. Nah, walk me mouth, you know. What me say, sir? Me rascal, me have to what they think can't talk in a rasta. And me say, then how they fix him, so man. And he having all gold teeth, you know. Me say, but that brother that look like him, he sensible, that look like them fucking bad, the rascal, you know. Right? Because he can't talk and then me book one over school and work again. He now say nothing is different from what you say. Right?
I repeat.
I tell him I never see nothing go so. Me see brother and me ask the man him when name and the man say name Hanjo. Me go up there and say Hanjo. The man make Hanjo. Me say Wagwan. He say Wagwan.
I echo.
But me never see nothing. Hold on.
Nah,
When me say.
the echo goes that.
When me say. You can't say something else from what me I say man. The man make. You can't say something else from what me I say man. Hold on now and turn me head. You do a blood clot. Me say me never see nothing go so. Hold on now man. When the man a do it, you see sir.
Yeah, well, it's managerial.
No, yes.
Yeah.
But me have to go ask. Hold on, me say. So hold on now. When you spin pan your something, your head not spin. When you spin pan your head, something your head not spin. And turn your head so again. Anytime him a go talk.
He look one direction.
He
come back around to you.
Right, alright. You say, hold on now. You like white shirt. You like white shirt.
And turn with the head.
And turn your head so again.
Yeah.
Good. When me go after God, over there, say, my brethren, The brother they can't why we might talk and he won't say nothing is different from what me I say. George say, it's the same thing why him people them carry him come here, come left him in at the workshop and we see if we can get him to just say something else from what we are saying.
And a peer echo the man echo. What is
You hear me
this?
saying it if you say,
You know they work with a man like that.
me not know. You hear me saying
Yeah, no
people them have a problem
You know
because
peer back cancer.
you cannot get him say nothing blood. Alright. Sure you know.
Eh?
The first time I see the man, my brethren,
Eh.
he's a brown brother and him in a white shirt and black pants and look rich. Look like rich people. See? We go down a Gastown bar down and I sell some peanut in a bar down, right? And I go through and I say, peanut. When me reach this brother, me hear the brother spitting on and say, peanut.
Down pan you again, eh?
Hold on, me see at first me I go say, I never know him. Hold on now, let me explain everything to you now, right? Good. When me pass and I say, peanut, me see that the man look round and he look like rich people picnic. I say, peanut. Hold out your hand and me go give him one. This fan him take it,
Yeah.
him pull it and he start break them. One woman dead. Beg him to make him taste them and him give her some. Alright? The man not pay me no mind, the man only eat the peanut. So me say alright nothing, make him go and eat it. He will sweet him, you know, and maybe go circle and then circle him back, right? So me walk around him and place and circle him back again and go there for him and say, peanut. I man me see turn around again, peanut. And hold out in hand. When me look upon him good now, me see him look retarded. Me never notice him.
Yeah, they want to notice him.
Hold on, they see when me go around and say peanut and me see man look around again
And give it and attach
me
it.
and the woman when give some of the blood clot peanut look for one another. Hold on now. Oh my God. Not even the woman in no ras clot.
Eh.
Say, this man,
Eh. I don't
I
want to
believe. Oh my God. So the man look in the rata.
Yeah.
The man look good. Then I know say me go left it. Cause when me look upon him now I know me I look good and I
Yeah,
say
observe them
weird,
as
but
say things
not
are
true,
right.
me live near them yeah, so
Yeah.
I know say well then.
Yeah.
Some of them you can't know. Right? And me left. About couple months after,
Yeah.
I over school I work, me go see him long pan one same thing and
Yeah.
spin.
You merry-go-round there.
Yeah, one high and something there when them a go round and
Merry-go-round,
spin
man.
and a
Yeah.
spin and a spin. See?
And in corner you again.
No! So I saw me go consult George and tell George
Yeah, what go on? Don't have feel it.
when he do me. And ask him, where you know I do him over here? George say, Rasta, are the same thing making people them carry come and left him in a workshop with just to see if we can get him to say something else.
Two different words from
Wait.
one I say.
So me go out of the place now, where my spin. And me go say, Hanjo, me ask them what your name.
And
He
they
say
tell
name Hanjo. So me go up there and say, Hanjo.
Mhm.
He stop spin to rascal and look around and stand up. And say, Hanjo. Me say, Wagwan. Me say, hold on. You can't say something else different from what me I say, man. You can't say something else different from what me I say, man.
God have mercy.
Right? Me say, hold on. But the man then say you won't talk, you know. Hold on. And me say, me blood clot.
It's a quarter note, Dilly.
Yeah, God. What is this? Get him to say your blood clot. Edit it. Me I say, what a sickness this my parents end up with. And a big man, you know. A big man. So you must know that it's trouble with
Challenge when they have with him.
Rascal, when you look upon all the parents and you see the impression upon them, you know. And some of them you can see say them it a come from, cause You can see slightly.
And I wonder if the herbs could have fixed it.
Pan the parents them say, what?
I wonder if the weed could have fixed it.
Which weed? You must be master ass clad. Hey, when the man there no good, you don't get put in the hey. You don't sorry to ass man. In time people ain't no good. Like they retarded. If you have game dogs, ass clad. The demons get bad boy. Yes? And do things excess now. And give more trouble. Yeah? Yeah. So when you come pan rum, Ganja and dog coke and all them in there. You know see how some of the coke in them do man they say
Something like fire. It's smoke. Oh, okay, so.
oh, I'm a rubbish heap man, me no put rubbish at gate you know. Me no push rubbish at gate my brother. Me burn up rubbish here.
Yeah, big a hole and burn it.
Yeah man, me burn rubbish man because when you pull up the rubbish out of gate, when me walk on Tavern Avenue and see how the dog them draw down the rubbish pan, and me see that.
You can't do that.
And dirty up the place, me say, what a people them slap. Right there, she said, and them still doing it, brother. Right? Yes. So, differently, we could talk about that now again.
Now the time has come to leave work and go in. From Oxford Road I took a car to Papine. Now me smile with my pillow and a big piece of foam and give thanks to the Christ now for that safe journey home. Then after that me grab a little snack after me done bathe. A slice of bread with little butter with a glass of lemonade. Lad inna me shorts and marina pendy in a straight mesh. Lie down inna me bed and fan a blow me feel fresh. Now one snap of a finger, you know me drop asleep. But when you leave a garrison you cannot sleep too deep. So me hear a little stumbling where the rubbish pan keep. Cause so boom shift the curtain and just boss a one beat. Now there's a pastor on the radio who a preach God's word. Too much minutes after 4 it was about 23rd. In front my door a strange sound is what I heard. And in my home and out my door me see this big blackbird. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Oh yeah. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Nigeria. So now I know I see every bird them carry a specific mark. So him open up him wings towards me grill him start walk. So me see say it's not a creature and it's not a parrot. Catch me by surprise now when the birds start talk. I don't fairy tale thing and I know a diggle. Him same come from in the desert, from the tribe of the eagle. In a one snare him get tangled, flat up on the ground and broke him beak, and from that the mouth shape like a triangle. This blackbird is very scary, more aggressive more than the pitchery. Me keep me distance and me try no go near him. Clad him sharp and any yo we touch your skin it a go tear. This blackbird is like a dragon from the mount fire sparks. About this blackbird is pure bad remarks. Tell you about the desert, well no question I have to ask. Not about no shoes, this blackbird is not a clock. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Oh la, yeah. Me say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this before. Nigeria. Now when me look, me see the blackbird I sat up on the wall with a wingspan way over 6 feet. That mean a bird that him no small. Me I wonder if a Peter, if a Paul, and then me hear him go so and make a sound like him a ball. Then him say Elijah is just a link me come forgive. Me never really come here so fi make no mischief. Me love the way you conscious and love how you positive. And you're the first man who looking at my face and still a live. You say you one thing me know for sure, I've never seen a blackbird like this you want ya before. Oh Lord, yeah. And then now one thing we know for sure, we up in the sky when the eagles start flying, spreading wings and start soar. Oh Lord, yes it's just a light again.